Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2017 17 plate Porsche Cayenne S. Now this is the 4.2 litre V8 diesel engine car powered through the silky smooth PDK automatic box. This is a platinum edition car, so specification wise very impressive list of spec on these cars. Finished in this lovely pure white paintwork. As you can tell straight away, it's got a lovely aggressive stance due to the fully colour coded body kit. So all the lowers normally come in a dark plastic, so your wheel arches, all the lower side skirts, the lowers of your front splitter, the rear diffuser, they all normally come in a dark plastic. They're all colour coded to the white and they look absolutely superb. LED daytime running lights, headlamp wash for those as well. Front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera. Obviously we've got gloss black window surrounds with the privacy glass. We've got gloss black roof bars then, and a lovely panoramic glass roof. We've got the diesel badges on the sides. We're riding on the titanium 21-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Those are in fantastic order, riding on nice tyres. We've got the full coloured Porsche crest in the centre there as well. Coming through to the back then, nice sporty spoiler, Cayenne S badging, aggressive quad exhaust, nice lower diffuser, again lovely and colour coded, looks superb, a very aggressive stance to these cars. Electric tailgate, so you just press the button, elegantly glides up, parcel shelf is present, we've got split folding rear seats, 12-volt power outlet in the back there. Everything which was supplied with the vehicle from new is still there today, so locking wheel nut, tyre inflation kit, all the bits and bobs. Reversing camera, as I'd mentioned before. Bodywork wise, a lovely car. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. All the bodywork, the panel work, nice and straight, no signs of any sort of dents, dings, no scratches, scrapes. And then coming through to the interior, these platinums, the fit and finish inside is superb. So how do you know it's a platinum edition? It says it right there on the kick plate. Platinum edition. Straight away when you hop inside you can tell that it is one of those due to a half leather interior. So leather on the bolsters, lovely Alcantara centres just to allow the seat to breathe. Very nice and supportive seats. We've got the Porsche crest in the headrests. Panoramic glass roof slides all the way back. You've got an electric blind as well, allowing you to close it all up. Jumping through to the rear, those lovely seats follow through again. We've got the crest in the back of the headrests as well. Central armrest with cup holders. Comfortable seating for 3. We've got rear vents, so you get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. Lovely silver detailing in the back here. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched. We've got BOSE surround sound system. We've got little bits of storage all throughout the vehicle which pop in and out. And then looking through to the cabin, the interior on a Porsche is absolutely second to none. So we'll jump in the driver's side and I'll show you through some of the lovely features. So we'll start on the door card. 4 electric windows, electric boot opening, obviously child lock for the rear, park folding mirrors. We've got 2-way memory sport seats, so ideal if you're looking to share the car with your partner. You can be driver 1, partner can be driver 2. Press of a button, that will fully adjust the seats, and the auto dimming mirrors to exactly the way you like it. Then coming through to the centre, we're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. All the leathers in very nice order. Looking at the actual bright silver bits, lovely little breakup. You've got nice slots in there. Obviously, as I mentioned, this is the PDK gearbox, so you've got the flappy paddles on the steering wheel, allowing you to drive the car manually if you choose to do so. Vehicle is supplied with both keys. We've got voice command. As we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 65,475 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've got satellite navigation on the little screen. We've got your audio, vehicle information, so your oil temps, tyre pressures, they kick in as soon as you start driving, phone details, that's all up on there. We've got the nice centre clock in the top there. Centre screen, this is all touch screen. You can use the little knobs at the bottom there as well. So clicking through to maps, very clear, very easy to use, very responsive. Clicking through to the home menu, you've got your tuner, which is obviously all your radio and all your other modems of infotainment. So you've got DAB, FM, jukebox, Bluetooth phone and aux. Clicking back through to home, we've got our car information, navigation, sound. Obviously, because it is that lovely BOSE surround sound, you can adjust the bass, the treble, the fader to exactly the way that you want it. Following our way down then, we've got our dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Hill descent, heated front seats. We've got selectable suspensions, we've got Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. Car's always been really kept in comfort, drives superb. You've got sport modes, which just transform the car into a different type of beast. We've got a 12 volt power outlet there, lovely central armrest, which is in superb order, with another 12 volt power outlet and an aux and USB. Now, as I mentioned, everything which was supplied with the car from new is still there today. We've got 2 trackers there from Porsche. We've got all the original handbooks. Lovely service history on this vehicle. But a very, very nice example. So, if you'd like anything further, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. On sales, there's myself, Dominic. There's also my colleagues Graham and Lee, so any one of us would be happy to help you. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.